Okay, now I'm going to show you another example here, and this has to actually do with an email task. And what I'm going to start with is now a regular one, just a regular one. Not an enhanced prompt is what I want to call it. So this is an enhanced prompt. So this right here, this has been enhanced, right? This is not what I jotted down to start. This was what went into the AI tool. In this instance, the regular was what I just jotted down even before I enhanced it. So this did not even go in the AI tool. So this is an email task. Create an email for a local community group, informing them of the upcoming block party that we have in the neighborhood, which would be so much fun for the kids and parents. Ask what dates is preferable for anyone in August, and if anyone is willing to carry the big inflatables. Add a question for what everyone is bringing for food, so we can make sure we don't have the same meals. That's very simple, right? I've just told them that. Now I'm going to enhance that so that it actually gives me a better output. And here's the enhanced output. Act as a community group leader. Psychology, leader. Compose an email, you can see in blue the tasks, to inform the members in our local community group about the upcoming block party. Start the email with a friendly greeting. Friendly. This actually could also be orange, actually. Friendly. That's it. Friendly. See that? Friendly. Greeting. Clearly, the tone, clearly express the purpose of the email and the details of the party, including the date, the time, see all the relevant information is in red, location of the event. Encourage the members to bring their kids and families to the party and make it a fun-filled day. Ask the members, make it a fun-filled day. Exciting, the tone. Ask the members about task, their preferred dates in August, and the possibility of carrying big inflatables to the party. Relevant information. Lastly, ask each member task to bring their favorite dish and mention not to bring anything already taken as it is to avoid duplicates. Relevant information. End the email with a cheerful, see that, closing message, thanking everyone task for their participation and involvement in the group. Remember to format the email correctly. Format the email correctly with a professional, see that, the tone, a professional tone, and include all the necessary details for the party for the members to be fully informed. Look at the difference between these two. Now, if you were my assistant, you don't need to be an AI tool right now. If you were my assistant and I sent this email to you to create this or this, which one would you prefer? Which one would you prefer? So as you can see, the regular one doesn't even go in the AI tool. The enhanced one is what goes in the AI tool because I want the right output.